Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's DIY is a DIY I have been planning for so long and I finally finished it up now. But I thought it's just the right time to make a great summer decor piece or just a gift for somebody else. Now I found this box and it was just perfect for the DIY. But if you get a cardboard box, you can spray paint it any color you want. Start by cutting the floral foam into the size of the box. Now I sized it down so it just fits the box halfway. Then cut your flowers. I used artificial ones, but you can use of course real flowers. Make sure if you use real flowers you soak your foam with water and put the plastic back into the box so it won't leak. I also added the leaves with it just because I think it adds to it, but you can of course take it off. And then just go on and fill up your box. Now for decorations of the box you have few options. I kept the symbol with just a bow, but you can add ribbon around it or just print out any logo that you may want and glue it on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you think about this flower box DIY. And then I will see you next week.